My dear students, on this Teachers' Day, I feel really blessed to be a part of this noble profession of teaching. And I also feel humbled that in these many years, I had an opportunity to share my knowledge with thousands of my younger brothers and sisters. Thanks for your wishes and your blessings. But over these years, I've always wondered that why do we wish only the people who are into professional teaching on this day? Because I firmly believe that every person whom we meet in our life is a potential teacher. There's a lot of things we can learn from him or her, provided we are curious learners, we have that receptivity and the zeal to learn. Because even a 4-year kid can teach me how to be curious in life, which probably I have forgotten. My employee can teach me how to be punctual on daily basis. My colleagues, they teach me about fashion and dressing sense. My pet teaches me about unconditional love. So everybody we meet in our life, as I said, is a potential teacher. And there's a lot to learn from each one of us. So happy Teachers' Day to everybody in my life. In this situation of pandemic, in this situation of fear, I have always been surprised by majorly two professionals. The first one happens to be doctors, and the second one happened to be the soldiers. We all know what kind of situation is going on right now. In this kind of situation, what is that something that drives a doctor to reach to his patients and treat them, risking their own lives? What goes through a mind of a soldier to stand on that China border or a Pakistan border, fighting for us, risking their lives? In today's day, I don't think so even a doctor is less than a soldier, because they are risking their own life for us. That can cost heavily to their families, the families of soldier, the families of doctor. Money cannot be a motive. For sure, I can tell you, money cannot be a motive. There has to be really a bigger purpose which motivates these two soldiers in the form of doctors and hardcore soldiers to work for us. I think that fulfillment, that satisfaction to see a patient and his family members smile, saving their lives, or that satisfaction to see the Indian citizens smile and sleep without any fear, I think that can be the only motive or a fulfilling reason for these people risking their lives. Hats off to them, and they teach us so much. That is, if it comes to making others happy, never ever step behind, even if it comes at the risk of your lives. So hats off to them. My dear friends, I think life has also given us a big opportunity that we can teach others a very good purpose. Life has given you one opportunity in these tough times, that is to perform in your examinations. Because the moment you perform in your upcoming examinations, I think you're creating a benchmark, you're creating an example, you're teaching your family members, your neighbors, your colleagues, your juniors, your siblings and society as whole, that even in these tough times, if I can study, I can score that great marks with all kind of restrictions, all kind of limitations, why can't others follow us in our life? I wish you all the luck, and I'm sure that all of you would be passing on this message and giving a great form of teaching to everybody around you, that even if the times are tough, we keep on going and going till we reach our destination. Wishing all of you a happy Teachers' Day once again. Have a nice time. Have a great time in future. God bless you all. This is Vipul Vora signing off. Have a great time. Thank you.